Hello, my name is Dion Knopp, and I'm here today on behalf of Rodgers Behavioral Health. I'm so grateful for this church and this organization to be lifting up mental health in our community. I work at Rodgers Behavioral Health, which is now located in Sheboygan, but I'm going to share a little bit of their story. Rodgers Behavioral Health has been actually in business since over 115 years, that we just celebrated an anniversary this summer. Our Sheboygan clinic has been here just a little over 1 year. People used to have to travel for services through our health system. People would travel to our home base, which is Oconomowoc, or they would get services in Brown Deer or West Allis. And one Sheboygan County resident traveled for our services, felt very strongly about the services they received, and wanted to pay it forward in our community. So this individual went to our foundation, which we are a nonprofit organization. He went to our nonprofit foundation, and they looked forward to trying to get the services here. With that one vision, they were able to build our clinic, which is a standalone clinic here in Sheboygan, and they also built a special building called Supportive Living. And what Supportive Living does is it allows 12 people who are working on their health, their mental health, or their addiction to be able to stay in a safe place and have a residence that is close to the treatment itself. So people can come from our community or from all over the United States if they wish to have treatment here in Sheboygan through Rodgers Behavioral Health. We treat people that are suffering from mental health issues. We treat people that have a coexisting condition with an addiction. And we also help people that are suffering with anxiety or OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. We treat children and adolescents, and we also work with adults. So those programs are housed at 1108 South Wildwood Avenue. If you were to drive on the way up to the ice skating rink, that's mostly what most people know in this community. That's where we are nestled in. We enjoy a very little scenic view from there, and people feel, like I said, that it's a safe place to go for treatment in our community. We're very fortunate for a community our size to have this world-class treatment and to be able to work with people. People often come to us when traditional therapy hasn't been working, or when they have exhausted the resources of their outpatient therapist. When people enter our program, they'll usually be in treatment up to 6 hours a day for our partial hospitalization program, or 3 hours a day for our intensive outpatient program. So it means that people are really working intentionally on making some changes in their life. So they'll come to us for those different issues, and we will work with them and set goals. It's not a time-limited treatment. There's not a deadline or cutoff if people have been in our programming for 30 days or 45 days. Everyone works at their own pace, and they'll have a team of individuals that will support them through that process. We have 2 psychologists on staff, a child psychiatrist, 2 RNs, and a nurse practitioner. Everyone will work together to be a team to support the patient through their care. We just feel strongly that we want to raise awareness that it is not something that people have to suffer alone, and that there is help available. We also are very active in the community with trying to reduce stigma. We want people to be able to talk about their mental health and not have people look down on it or treat it differently than any other medical condition. So we work with the schools. We have a youth educator that gets into the schools and does things to try and end stigma and to reduce that for stigma for children in our school system. So we're very fortunate to be a service provider in this community, and we just want to say that we're available to offer help. A person can call for the admission for a screening, free with no commitment, to see if they would qualify for our services and to see if that would be a good fit for them. And if anyone has any questions, don't hesitate to contact us or reach out to us further. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lynn Justinger. I'm the Human Services Manager at RCS Empowers. RCS is a nonprofit located in Sheboygan County. Our address is 1607 Geely Avenue. And our mission is to empower individuals with disabilities so that they can work, live, and function with dignity and respect. To learn more about our agency, you can visit our website at rcsempowers.com. To give you a brief overview of the services and supports that we provide, essentially RCS works with a variety of people and a variety of abilities. So we support individuals both on campus and in the community. Our on-campus services involve allowing individuals with disabilities to come on site and participate in learning opportunities, whether that's in a classroom setting where they are learning independent living skills, recreation and leisure skills, how to get around and navigate in the community, Whatever their life goals are, RCS is committed to helping individuals live their best life. So we offer a variety of opportunities to do that on site at our facility. We also have work programs at RCS where individuals who aren't quite ready to obtain employment in the community can come and work in our manufacturing environments to develop the skills that they would need to eventually get a job in the community. We also provide supports to individuals in the community. So we work with people who are seeking employment and our local business partners in Sheboygan County to understand what their hiring needs are so that we can help match the job seeker's skills and abilities with open positions in our community. And so we have a specific program dedicated to working with individuals with very chronic and serious mental health needs. We believe that working is a very important part of recovery, and we have absolutely seen the results of that through our individual placement and support program, which is one specific program within the bigger picture of our employment services supports. In that particular program, we are partnering with other agencies to help job seekers obtain and maintain employment. And so we are very committed to the efforts of your congregation and this WISE congregation. We as an agency believe in the very same things, and so we are continually working to develop programs and services to support people, whatever their needs may be, but certainly individuals with chronic mental health needs as well. So again, to learn more, you're certainly able to go to our website, www.rcsempowers.com. You can visit our Facebook page, or at any point in time, you're able to reach out to a member of our leadership team at RCS, and we can explain more information about the programs and supports that we provide to all people. Thank you.
My name is Michelle Hem, and I'm the Executive Director of Rainbow Kids here in Sheboygan County. Our mission is providing peer support to children and adults who are dealing with a difficult life event, such as the death of a loved one, divorce, separation, incarceration, abandonment, or deployment. We offer several 10-week programs each year, and our upcoming fall event will be held here at Ebenezer Church starting on October 13th. The groups will be held on Thursday evenings, and they will be 1 hour each from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Peer support is a great way for people to come together and learn from others, really share resources, communicate, and really learn that you're not alone. Kids, we are open. Anybody can register. Anybody 5 years and up. We have children's programs, and we also have adult programs. We do really appreciate the WISE movement here in our community. It's very exciting that we are able to reach out and help and work with so many people, because we all know that there is such a great need in our community, as there is everywhere else. So a big thanks to Ebenezer Church and all the folks here for doing everything that they do to bring this into our community. It is wonderful to be a part of this, and we are happy to do our part to help those in need. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dawn Russ, and I'm the Mental Health Resource Specialist with Mental Health America Lakeshore. We're located here in Sheboygan on 7th Street, across from the Grand Stay Hotel. Mental Health America Lakeshore, formerly known as MHA in Sheboygan County, is a nonprofit mental health resource agency serving our community since 1953. Our mission is to promote overall mental health through education, support, public reform, and advocacy. Our vision is to create mentally healthy communities where all individuals thrive. Education is one of our core values. By providing education and prevention programming to people of all ages in our community, we share knowledge about the importance of mental health and the warning signs of mental illness at an early stage before stage 4. It is our hope that with this knowledge, more people will know when to reach out for themselves or a loved one, reducing stigma and saving lives in our community. When people reach out for mental health resources, we do our best to provide options for individuals to seek professional help for their needs. We work closely with mental health care providers within our community to stay up to date with the current wait lists and providers who are accepting new patients. The WISE movement directly supports MHA's vision to create mentally healthy communities where all individuals thrive. By speaking up and supporting individuals on their mental health journey, we can work together as mental health ambassadors and help to reduce the stigma around mental health. When we work together to support those around us in need, we can spread hope to others and save lives of those who could be struggling within our own communities. Thank you.